Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Propolis drops. Propolis, a natural resin collected by bees, offers many benefits. To begin, always check your specific product's label for dosage guidelines, as concentrations can vary widely. It's wise to start with a small amount, perhaps just 1 or 2 drops, to see how your body responds. If you have any known allergies, especially to bee products or existing medical conditions, please consult your doctor before starting. Finding your optimal dosage is key. For most adults, a common recommendation is to take between 5 and 10 drops, 1 to 3 times per day. You can administer the drops directly into your mouth, or if you prefer, mix them into a small glass of water, juice, or even a spoonful of honey. For enhanced absorption, try holding the liquid under your tongue for about 30 seconds before swallowing. This allows the beneficial compounds to enter your bloodstream more efficiently. Consistency is crucial for experiencing the full benefits of Propolis. Aim to take your drops at regular intervals each day, perhaps once in the morning and again in the evening. While some people take them on an empty stomach, if you find this causes any mild stomach upset, try taking them with a meal or a small snack instead. Establishing a routine will help your body integrate the Propolis effectively over time. Proper storage ensures your Propolis drops remain potent. Always keep the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Make sure the cap is tightly sealed after each use to prevent oxidation and maintain its efficacy. Remember, if you notice any unusual or adverse reactions, such as a rash or digestive upset, stop taking the drops immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Your well-being is always the top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.